Hello everyone, you are once again very welcome to the world of amazing gadgets and the awesome invention crazy gadgets. And the gadget that come in today's video is very special. It is more effective and perfect in its work than it is amazing to see. So friends, get ready to meet these gadgets one by one. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then subscribe now and set the notifications. And sit down, let's go towards the first gadget. Number 1. Fin. Friends, all of us have been counting on our fingers since our childhood. Apart from these, whether they use smartphones or laptops, we also do all these things through the finger. So this gadget named Fin is also made for your finger and also to reduce its load. Friends, this is a gadget that looks like a ring key. It is also very easy to use. You just have to wear this ring on your finger and then all your smart devices will work on your gestures. This is a Bluetooth inbuilt device that you will be able to connect with smartphone, smart TV, AC and so on, and your car too. This will bring the entire command of the device to your fingertips. So you will not have to use a separate remote, etc. Moreover, you can also play games from it without a gamepad, which will make your gaming experience even better. So friends, if you also want to use a gadget to be used in your daily life, then this gadget is going to be perfect for you. Number 2. Remarkable. Guys, meet this Remarkable. It is a paper tablet which is super realistic. That is, by using it you will get a feeling like a real paper. The stylish pencil that comes with it is similarly realistic. You can also call it digital paper in a way. You can write anything in it. In this, you can make sketches, make notes and store all these things in PDF or even keep it in PDF or other file format. Like a white blank paper, this tablet also comes in full white color. You can also darken and light through its digital pencil shade. Along with this, you also get a tool like eraser. It is also very reliable to use. You can take it to coaching and school, and this gadget may be very common in your studies. So friends, according to me, this gadget must be with the students. Number 3. Level. Friends, the thing that is most important when we ride a bike or bicycle is safety. As you also know, people ride bikes and wear helmets, but the bicycle ride without the helmet. So friends, meet this smart helmet made with the purpose of particular cycling. This helmet consists entirely of LED lights, because of which this helmet looks very amazing. Along with this, it also increases your visibility on the road, and the tail lights in the rear side work for brake lights and indicators. You can also talk to the call with the help of the inbuilt Bluetooth speaker and mic. That is, you will have a lot of ease in communication too. Moreover, you will also be able to listen to music in this helmet. That is, you will not have to install earphones and headphones separately. If you fall somewhere, then the gravity sensor in it will detect this and alert emergency contacts, and the light of this helmet will start burning automatically. You also get a remote to control it, which you will be able to turn on or off its light by putting it on the handle of your bicycle. So it looks like a normal helmet, but in this you get to see a lot of options. So friends, if you are thinking of buying a helmet, then you should definitely buy this smart helmet. Number 4. Go on wheel. Friends, meet this gadget through which you will be able to convert your bicycle from normal cycle to electronic bicycle in just seconds. It is also very easy to install. You just need to put these gadgets in the frame of your bicycle and put the motor of this gadget on the chain. Then turn the power on and your bicycle will change into e-bike. Its special thing is that you can also cycle by walking. If you are tired, you will be able to run through the gadget. You will be able to combine both things and run it. That is, walking and operating motor together, you will get more speed. Also, on its mobile app, you can also access its battery status and other information. And this gadget is also waterproof, due to which there will be no problem in its motor during the rainy time. Overall, friends, this gadget can prove to be of great use, as not everyone can afford electronic bikes. But through this gadget, you will be able to enjoy electronic bicycle in normal cycle. Number 5. Smart grips. Friends, meet this smart gadget. If you have a bicycle, then you will like this gadget very much. All you need to do in the smart grips is to install these smart grips in the handlebar and then connect to your smartphone with Bluetooth, and they are ready to use. If you park your bicycle in the middle of a lot of cycles and you are not seeing it, then with its application you can track and reach your cycle. If you still have trouble finding a bicycle, then this gadget also provides you with ring facility, with the help of which you will reach your cycle even more easily by listening to that ring. Apart from this, these grips can also tell you the direction to navigate through your haptic feedback. That is, the side turn you have to take will vibrate the same side according to the map and will notify you. With this, you will not have to stop and check the map on your smartphone. So friends, if you have a bicycle, then this gadget is going to be liked by you. So friends, the link of all these gadgets is given in the description box below. If you want to buy, you can buy from there. So please like the video as well as subscribe to the channel and set the notifications so that such fun gadgets can be seen by you first. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.